Marilyn, you girls have to start laying eggs that are easier to peel. Yeah, you sure do. All right, folks, short funny one today. It's like chicken TV. Hi folks, I was challenged to try something. So when you have your own fresh eggs, when you hard boil them, it's super hard sometimes to peel, to get your eggshell off. And a lot of the times your egg actually gets stuck to your shell. And so then you end up wasting like a good portion of your egg. So we're gonna try two different things. We're going to crack it on the top and then crack it on the bottom. And we're gonna see if we can blow it out. Okay, so that's what we got there. And then on the top, I have to open it up a little bit. See what happens. It ain't happening. No way. Not happening. So this is what I mean. When you're peeling the egg, you get a lot coming off. And yes, pugs like boiled eggs. So another thing we're gonna try is taking the egg and rolling it in the jar. Hi, Peanut. What are we making out here? You gotta like reposition it in there, I think. Okay, let's see what goes on here. Let's see. Okay, so there's like a thin layer of skin right underneath your shell. And that's what sticks to the rest of the egg. I think this worked. Legit. Peanut. Okay, so this is the one that we shook. And so when you're doing pickled eggs, and they're a custom order, like honestly, you don't want your egg to look like that. So I need to find a different way. I've tried baking soda and everything, so this takes a lot of time. So the shaking of the egg in the jar, look, there it goes, part of your egg right there. Did not work. It was a fail. We're gonna call this the peeling egg challenge. So if anybody has a better way, look at that, it looks like shit. And this was the one that I tried to blow out. So this one's not looking too bad. Alright. And then other people say that you use older eggs. Is there something that I could do prior to boiling the egg? So that's that. Tink Tink. You love your eggs, eh, bud? Get in there, Pea. Get in there, Peanut. Look at the size of that egg. Whoa. Way too funny. I just watched a hilarious video on how to peel an egg in under 10 seconds. I'm going to try blowing it out again. Okay. Bottom was super easy to come off. Dime size on the top. We're going to go for it. Oh! Oh! no, it blew out. Damn. But did it loosen the membrane? It sure did. It loosened that membrane right up, folks. Check this out. Now that is success. It worked. It worked! For the most part. Except for blowing out the bottom part there. See how this looks. Ta-da! It's almost all intact. Just a little bit of chunkage at the bottom where we had the little blowout. But yes, I could present this in a nice, lovely jar to Lois and her man when I do their custom pickled eggs. So that, my friends, is how you peel an egg! Ah! That was a fun one. Very cool.
How you girls doing? Marilyn, did you lay me an egg today? If I can wrangle up a chicken. Marilyn. Honey bun. Aha! Relax. Relax. Oh. You girls have to start laying eggs that are easier to peel. Yeah, you sure do.